Okay, so for today's practice on function operations, it looks like a lot, but it's really not. I'm going to do all the evens and you guys are going to practice the odds. So starting at number 2, we have two functions here and they want you to find f minus g of 4. So all that means is that you're going to plug in 4 everywhere you see a variable. So 4 times 4 minus 3 for f of x, and 4 cubed plus 2 times 4 for g of x. Now they want us to find f minus g. So you could actually put that all in Desmos. So 4 times 4 minus 3 minus 4 cubed plus 2 times 4. So this would be 16 minus 3, be 13. And then 4 cubed would be 64. This is 64 plus 8. So let's see what 64, double check. So 13 minus 72. And you should get negative 59. All right, so for number 4, they want you to find g divided by f of 3. So I would, 3 times 3 plus 2 divided by 2 times 3 minus 4. So I'd put my division bar first. 3 parentheses 3. And you should get 11 over 2 times 3 is 6 minus 4. So 11 divided by 2. And you should get 5.5. So you could leave it as 11 over 2 or 5.5, either or. All right, number 6, g times h of negative 4. So I'll just do parentheses 2, parentheses negative 4 minus 1, close that parentheses off, do another parentheses, 3 times negative 4 minus 3. And if you put that into Desmos, it would do the order of operations correctly. And you would get 135. On to 7. They want to find g of f of 2. So we're going to stick with parentheses first. We're going to solve what is the function of 2 for this. So we're going to plug in 2 times 2 squared plus 5 and solve. So 2 squared is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. So now we're going to solve g of 13. So that would be 3 times 13 plus 2. And you should get 41. All right, number 10, find f divided by g of x. Well, it didn't give us a variable, so all we're doing is just putting f over g because we already have x. They didn't give us a number. So it's just 3x minus 1 divided by x squared minus x. H minus g of t. So it's going to be 2t plus 1 minus 2t plus 2. Make sure you distribute your sign. Two t minus 2t, 1 minus 2 would just give you negative 1. For number 14, h minus g of n. Same thing, 4n plus 5 minus 3n plus 4. Distribute your sign. 4n minus 3n gives me n. 5 minus 4 will give me 1. Number 16, f of g of n. What this means is that you're going to put g into f. So you have to solve g first. So we have negative n minus 4 is g, and we have to plug that in to f. So f is just 2 times n. Distribute negative 2n minus 8. G of h of n. That means I'm going to solve for h, and then I'm going to put it into g. So I just have a variable, so h is already solved for. So I'm just going to plug n, this n minus 1 here. So 2 times n minus 1 plus 3. So I'm going to distribute. I'm going to get 2n minus 2 plus 3. It's going to simplify to 2n plus 1. Looking at number 20, find g plus f of t. So I'm just adding them together, combining like terms. I don't have any other t squares, so that's just going to be negative t squared plus 2t, and then the 5s will combine to equal 10. All right, find g of h of negative 4 plus a. So that means I'm going to solve for h first, substituting the a with the 4 minus a. So h of a is going to equal negative 2 times negative 4 plus a minus 5. So I'm going to solve that first. So I'm going to get positive 8 minus 2a minus 5. Combine like terms. 8 minus 5, it's going to be 3. So h of a equals 3 minus 2a. So now I'm going to input that into here. So 2 times 3 minus 2a plus 2. So I'm going to distribute. I get 6 minus 4a plus 2. Combine like terms. I will get 6 plus 2 is 8. And left with negative 4a. So negative 4a plus 8.